Hey you guys, it's your girl Mari and I'm here with a video on how to show you how to look like a baddie on a budget. Channel, I'm here to show you lovely ladies how to look amazing on a budget. As you know, the prices of everything is rising, including rent, gas, groceries, you name it. The only thing that hasn't changed is our income. So what's up with that? Anyway, I got you with 4 beautiful outfits that will make you feel like $1 million without having to spend that much. So let's get into it. The first outfit is this beautiful emerald strappy bodysuit paired with this gorgeous tropical mini skirt. I layered it with a gold chain belt and some loose light strappy heels, and your girl felt like an island girl, which I am. But it's great to wear on vacation or just out on the town. It's super easy, very lightweight, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. The second outfit is this really cute chill outfit that I put together. It's this faux tan leather tennis skirt paired with a white top and a denim jacket. I wore Air Forces white with this and it was so cute. I just wore it to the mall and to dinner and it was very casual and did the job. I got so many compliments on it. The third outfit is this gorgeous pink Fits Everybody t-shirt bodysuit that I have on right now, and I absolutely love the material and the fit. And I wore it with these gorgeous metallic purple high-waisted pants. I saw them and I thought they were so stunning and I was like, oh, I gotta have those. And then I just paired it with this shirt and some suede lilac pumps, and I just knew the outfit was a winner. Lastly, this is my favorite outfit. It's super glam and super high sexy, okay? So it's this gorgeous sage blazer and the back is embellished and completely cut out, super duper sexy, paired with this black long tight skirt and some minimalistic silver heels. You guys, this blazer is stunning. It's perfect for a date if you know the guy already. Just tape up your boobies, or you could put like a bralette or a bandeau top with it, but it's stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. So many people are selling it for over $200, but your girl found it for about $50. I'll try to link everything below. That's it for all of the 4 outfits. I hope you enjoyed and could grab some inspiration from these fits and feel like $1 million without having to break the bank. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, and share.